Welcome to InnoCity Analysis, where we explore the forces shaping our urban landscape. The whole idea we are discussing is the relationship between entrepreneurship, innovation, and cities. Today, I am excited to introduce a significant article in the field of inclusive innovation, titled Towards a Framework to Guide the Evaluation of Inclusive Innovation Systems. This paper provides critical insights to how we can assess the impact of innovation at inclusive development, particularly for marginalized population, often referred to as the base of the pyramid or BOP. Innovation for inclusive development aims not only to produce products and services for base of the pyramid BOP markets, but also to improve innovation capacities and empower those that form part of the BOP. Also, the wide range of actors aim to support innovation for inclusive development. They lack proper methods to assess the impact that these projects have. This paper sets out to identify an appropriate method to approach for evaluation systems change brought about by innovation for inclusive development projects. Based on a systematic literature review, a process-level approach is proposed. This approach is focused on the component within a system and the changes that occur in the system function. To begin with, let's consider the broader context. The concept of the base of the pyramid introduced refers to 4 billion people worldwide who live on just $1 or $2 per day. Addressing poverty within this group is a persistent challenge for governance, organization, and development agencies. While innovation has long been recognized as a driver of economic growth, conventional innovation models have often overlooked the needs of economically marginalized communities. Inclusive innovation, or innovation for inclusive development, aims to shift this paradigm. Unlike traditional models that treat POP populations merely as consumers of low-tech goods and services, inclusive innovation envisions these individuals as active participants in the innovation process. It aims not only to provide products or services, but also to empower communities by enhancing their innovative capacity and enabling economic participation. The challenge, however, lies in evaluating these initiatives. Additional evaluation methods, often applied at the project or program level, fail to capture the systematic change and institutional learning that inclusive innovation generates. One of the key contributions of this paper is the proposal of a process-level component function-based approach to evaluation. Instead of viewing innovation as a black box, this approach emphasizes examining each component within the system and the functional change that occur over time. By opening this black box, evaluators can trace how innovations are conceived, designed, developed, produced, distributed, adopted, and ultimately used. This method allows researchers and practitioners to assess not just outputs but systematic outcomes, including knowledge transfer, capacity development, and empowerment of marginalized actors. The authors reviewed 9 commonly cited evaluation methods in the literature and concluded that a combined, structured, and functional approach is most effective for inclusive innovation systems. This approach is actor-oriented and enables evaluators to understand the complex relationships between system actors as well as the transfer of knowledge across the network. It creates the foundation for developing indicators and impact classification measurement. However, the paper also acknowledged certain limitations and direction for future research.